Have you ever felt frustrated after using ChatGPT or another AI tool, only to get bland, generic responses? You're not alone. Many people expect AI to boost their productivity tenfold but end up with results that feel uninspired. The real issue isn't the AI itself, it's how we communicate with it. In this video, we'll uncover the secret weapon that separates average users from AI power users, Parker prompts. Get ready to transform your workflow and unlock the true potential of AI. Let's dive in and see how you can go from meh to mind-blowing results. But what exactly are Parker prompts? Think about how you'd instruct a human expert. You wouldn't just say, write an email. You give them context, set the tone, and clarify your expectations. Parker prompts bring this human-centric approach to AI. By layering instructions, defining clear constraints, and assigning personas, you turn your AI from a basic assistant into a hyper-specialized expert. The difference in output quality is dramatic. Suddenly, your AI delivers results that are accurate, creative, and tailored to your needs. Let's explore how this works in practice. Master Parker prompts. You need to understand their core principles. First, assign a role to the AI, like making it a marketing copywriter or tech journalist. Next, provide all the context it needs so it understands the background. Then clearly outline the task you want accomplished. Don't forget to specify constraints such as length, tone, or format. Finally, offer examples to show what success looks like. By following these steps, you set your AI up for success, ensuring it delivers exactly what you need every time. See Parker prompts in action. Imagine you ask ChatGPT, write a blog post about AI productivity. The result, a generic, surface-level article that could have been written by anyone. Now let's use a Parker prompt. You are a tech journalist. Write a 500-word post for entrepreneurs highlighting 3 AI tools. The tone should be actionable. Use headings and bullet points. Instantly, the output is sharper, more relevant, and packed with value. The difference is like night and day. This is the power of structured prompting. When it comes to content creation, Parker prompts truly shine. By giving the AI a clear persona and detailed instructions, you can generate blog posts, emails, or social media content that feels custom-made. The AI understands your audience, adopts the right tone, and structures information in a way that grabs attention. This approach saves you time and ensures your content stands out in a crowded digital landscape. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or creative, Parker prompts can elevate your output to a professional level. Let's move to idea generation. With a basic prompt, you might get a short, uninspired list. But with Parker prompts, you can ask the AI to brainstorm as a specific expert, provide context about your industry, and request ideas in a particular format. For example, you are a startup advisor. Generate 5 innovative marketing ideas for a new app, each with a short explanation. The results are not just more creative, they're actionable and tailored to your needs, fueling your next big project. By integrating Parker prompts into your daily routine, you can completely transform your workflow. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes with higher quality and less stress. Whether you're drafting reports, generating ideas, or creating content, the AI becomes a true partner, one that understands your goals and delivers results that exceed expectations. This isn't just about working faster, it's about working smarter and unlocking new levels of creativity and efficiency. Let's recap the key points. Parker prompts are more than just detailed instructions. They're a framework for communicating with AI in a way that gets extraordinary results. By assigning roles, providing context, outlining tasks, setting constraints, and giving examples, you unlock the full power of AI. This approach works for content creation, idea generation, and beyond. The difference is clear. With Parker prompts, you get outputs that are accurate, creative, and perfectly tailored to your need. Take your AI game to the next level. Start experimenting with Parker prompts in your own workflow. Remember, the more context and clarity you provide, the better your results will be. Treat your AI like a human expert and watch as it delivers outputs that surprise and delight you. With Parker prompts, you're not just using AI, you're collaborating with it. Unlock new possibilities and transform the way you work starting today.